Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to open Bonnet in Ford Focus. Locate the interior release lever on the driver's side under the dashboard and pull it firmly. Next, walk to the front and feel under the hood center for the secondary latch and push it to release. Lift the bonnet and secure it with the prop rod in its slot, or engage the gas struts if equipped for safe access. Start by sitting in the driver's seat and looking low under the dash on the left side for a hood icon. Use your fingers to feel for the small lever and pull it firmly toward you until you hear a pop. If the lever feels loose or broken, avoid forcing the hood. Consider replacing the lever with OEM parts to ensure correct function and safety while working under the bonnet. After the interior lever pops the hood, walk to the front and place your hand under the center of the hood edge to find the secondary catch. Push the catch in the required direction while lifting the hood slightly to free it, then raise the bonnet fully. Always keep fingers away from pinching points and lift using your legs to avoid strain, and secure the hood with the prop rod or check that gas struts hold it.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.